I'm Michelle, and today I am going to do a bit of a science experiment on things that sink and things that float. All you need is a tub for each and a bowl full of water. Look at that, full to the top. And yesterday on my walk, I took a bag and I collected lots of interesting things around from nature, like flowers, some bark. I peeled some bark off the tree. I got a stick, a feather, a seed pod, and some shells and a rock. And we're going to test and see which will sink and which will float. Then I went into my house and I had a look around and I looked for things that we could sink or float, and I had pens, some money, a lid, some toys, some pasta, hair clips, paddle pop sticks, some nice things from your mum, some cotton buds from your mum's bathroom, and I have got a plastic fork and a metal spoon. Let's see which one floats and let's see which one sinks. Okay, when you've collected all your things, you can put it out, and then you're going to pick one thing up and you're going to come over here and you're going to take a guess. You're going to say, is this piece of pasta, is it going to sink or float? Okay, we're going to put it in. I think it might float. Let's see. Oh no, it sunk to the bottom of the bowl. And then you can take it out of the bowl and put it in the right container. Sink. And there you go. That's our first one. Then we're going to do, let's see, we might do a feather. I wonder if a feather will sink or will it float. I think this one, because it's so light, might float. And we'll put it on. Oh, yes, it has floated. So we'll take it out and we'll put it in this one that says float. There we go. And so you can then go through everything. Maybe a leaf. Let's see if it'll float or sink. I think this one, because it's so light, might float. There we go. And it does. And then you take it over and you put it in your float box. The next thing, let's try a silver spoon. I think this is fairly heavy. Let's see if it'll sink or float. Oh, it sunk all the way down to the bottom. And you can take it out and put it in the sink container. All right, the next thing, let's try a leaf from a tree, a pretty flower actually. Oh, this one might be a bit big. Let's see if we can put it in. Oh, it's very light and it floats. Okay, so what you can do is you can try all these things like the money. Ooh, is money going to sink or float? Let's try. I think it might sink because it's very heavy. Oh, straight to the bottom. Take it out and put it in the float container. Oh, sorry, sink container. Sink. And the last one we might try is a screw. And we'll put it in. I think this is pretty heavy too, and it might go to the bottom as well, right to the bottom. And there we go. And we put it into the sink container. You can make these signs up yourself. You might like to do a bit of drawing. And you can try all your things and see which ones sink and which ones float. Till next time, bye!